Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down the top 5 best travel cameras in 2025. From compact vlog cameras to powerful action cams, perfect for every adventure. But before we get started, check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting at number 5, we have the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III, a compact digital camera designed for vloggers, creators, and travel enthusiasts who want powerful performance in a pocket-sized device. Featuring a 20.1 MP to 1.0-inch stacked CMOS sensor with the Digic 8 processor, it delivers excellent image quality and fast performance. The 4K recording capability, vertical video support, and direct live streaming to YouTube make it a strong choice for content creators. Its f1.8 f2.8 lens with 4.2x optical zoom ensures sharp, vibrant shots in various lighting conditions, while the external mic input improves audio quality. Pros include portability, versatile features, and strong video quality, while cons are a limited zoom range and no headphone jack. Coming in at number 4, the Panasonic Lumix ZV-1F is a powerhouse pocket camera built for travelers and everyday creators who want versatility without bulk. Equipped with a 24 to 720mm Leica lens and 30x zoom, it captures everything from wide landscapes to distant subjects in stunning detail. Its 4K video at 30p and 4K photo burst at 30 FPS deliver sharp, vibrant results, while HD high-speed video at 120 FPS adds creative slow-motion options. The tiltable 1840K dot touchscreen makes shooting from any angle easy, and USB-C charging keeps it travel-ready. Built-in Bluetooth 5.0 and a dedicated send image button ensure seamless sharing. Pros include portability, impressive zoom, and 4K features. Cons are smaller sensor size and weaker low-light performance. At number 3, we have the DJI Osmo Action 4 Standard Combo, a powerful action camera designed for adventurers and creators who need top-tier performance in all conditions. Its large 1.3-inch sensor delivers stunning 4K clarity with exceptional low-light performance, while 10-bit and D-Log M color ensure vibrant, true-to-life footage. With 4K 120 FPS recording, a 155.0 ultra-wide FOV, and 3 stabilization modes, it captures smooth, immersive slow motion and action shots. The magnetic quick release makes switching perspectives effortless, and the battery lasts up to 150 minutes, even in extreme cold. Pros include image quality, durability, and versatility. Cons are premium pricing and limited accessories in the standard combo. Taking the number 2 spot is the GoPro Hero 12 Black, which is the ultimate adventure camera, built rugged and waterproof up to 30 thrift, making it perfect for extreme environments. Powered by the 1720 mirror or Enduro battery, it delivers up to 70 minutes of 5.3K cadence 60 recording with improved efficiency. Its 5.3K video resolution and 27 megapixel photos capture unmatched detail, while HDR ensures vibrant, true-to-life colors in any lighting. Emmy-winning hyper-smooth 6.0 stabilization and 360-degree horizon lock guarantee silky smooth, level footage, even during intense action. With an expansive field of view, up to 8x slow-mo, and Bluetooth audio connectivity for external mics, it's versatile for creators. Pros include performance, stabilization, and image quality. Cons are premium pricing and battery drain in high resolutions. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Sony ZV-1F, a compact vlog camera designed specifically for creators who want simplicity and high-quality results. Its ultra-wide 20mm lens ensures you capture everything in the frame, even at arm's length, while the large 1-inch sensor and f2.0 lens deliver sharp, bright footage with beautiful background blur, even in low light. IAF and autofocus tracking keep subjects sharp, while the side-articulating touchscreen makes framing selfies effortless. Audio is clear with the built-in 3-capsule mic and included windscreen for outdoor shooting. Pros include portability, strong image quality, and creator-focused features. Cons are limited zoom and no headphone jack. Ideal for beginner to mid-level vloggers. And there you have it, the top 5 best travel cameras. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.